हमारे चैनल बी ब्लॉग में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ाने जाने कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक अमीन के बारे में। स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अमीन, सी मिडल शेप ऑफ ट्राई एथिलमीन। Amines can classified as primary and secondary and tertiary depending on the number of hydrogen atoms replaced by aryl group in ammonia molecule. If one hydrogen atom of a molecule is replaced by ROR, we get RNH2 or ARNH2, a primary amine. If two hydrogen atoms are ammonia or one hydrogen atom of the is replaced by another hydrogen, what would be you get? RNHR, secondary amine. The second alkyl group same or different replacement of another hydrogen atom by R group leads to the formation of tertiary amines. Amines are simple when all the alkyl or aryl groups are the same. This indicates primary, secondary, tertiary. CH3, CH2, NH2, ethylamine, iphicine, ethanamine. CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2, N propylamine, propane 1 amine. CH3, CH, CH3, NH2, isopropylamine, propane 2 amine. CH3, CNH, CH2, CH3, ethyl methylamine, N methyl ethanamine. NCH3, CH2, CH3, trimethylamine, and dimethylmethanamine. C2H5N, C2H5, CH2, 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 N and dimethylbutylamine, N and dimethylbutane 1 amine. NH2, CH2, CH double bond CH2, allyl amine, propane 2 in 1 amine. NH2, CH2 का होल 6 NH2 हेक्सा मिथिलीन डायमीन हेक्सेन 1,6 डायमीन. बेंजीन NH2 एनिलीन एनिलीन और बेंजामीन. बेंजीन NH3 CH3O टॉलिडीन एमिनो टॉलिन. बेंजीन NH3 Br 2 ब्रोमो एनिलीन 4 ब्रोमो बेंजामीन और 4 ब्रोमो एनिलीन. बेंजीन CH3 का होल ट्वाइस एन डाई मेथिल एनिलीन एन डाई बेंजामीन. Classify the following amines as primary, secondary or tertiary. First benzene NH2. Second benzene NCH3 का होल ट्वाइस. Third C2H5 का होल ट्वाइस CHNH2. Fourth C2H5 का होल ट्वाइस NH. Write structure of different isomeric amines corresponding to the formula C4H11 9. Write opposite name of all isomers. What type of isomerism is exhibited by different pairs of amines? Reduction of nitro compound. NO2 H2PD palladium ethanol NH. NO2 SN plus FeCl or Fe plus HCl NH2. Ammonolysis. The process of cleavage of CX bond by ammonia must be known as ammonolysis. Nucleophilic RXR. RNH2R, R2NH, RNH2, R3N, R4N4N, quaternary ammonium salt. Write the chemical equation for the following reaction of ethanolic NH3 with C2H5Cl. The second ammonolysis of benzyl chloride and the reaction of amines so formed with 2 moles of CH3Cl. C2H5 NH3, C2H5 NH2, C2H5, C2H5 NH, C2H5, C2H5, C2H5 N, C2H5, C2H5, C6H5 NH2, NH3, C6H5 NCH2, NH2, 2CH3, C6H5, CH2 and CH3, CH3. RCOO NH2 LiAl4, lithium aluminum hydrate H2 RCH2 NH2. Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. Benzene COO NH KOH. Benzene COO NK RX. Benzene COO R. Benzene COO NR NaOH. Benzene COO Na plus RNH2. Hofmann bromamide degradation RCOO NH2 plus Br2 plus 4 NaOH RNH2 plus 2 Na2CO3 plus NaBr plus 2H2O. Write the chemical equation for the following conversion. First CH3 CH2Cl and CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2. Second C6H5 CH2 Cl into C6H5 CH2 CH2 NH2. Chloroethane CH3 CH2Cl chloroethane ethanolic NaCN CH3 CH2 C double bond triple bond N reduction CH3 CH2 CH2 NH2. C6H5 CH2 Cl phenyl methane, benzene chloride, ethanolic NaCN C6H5 CH2 acid double triple bond and phenyl ethyl nitrile benzene NH2 NiC2H5 CH2 CH3 CCH2 and NH2 2-phenyl diamide, which gives propanamine by Hofmann bromide reaction. Second, the amine produced by the Hofmann bromide of the genzamide. First, propanamide contains 3 carbon, hence the amide molecule must contain 4 carbon atoms. The structure and IPC name of starting 4 carbon atoms are given below: CH3, CH2, CH2, COO, NH2. Butanamide. Benzamide is an aromatic amide containing 7 carbon atoms, hence the amine formed from benzamide is aromatic primary amine containing 6 carbon atoms: benzene, NH2, aniline or benzamine. How will you convert benzene into aniline? Second, benzene into aniline diethyl aniline. Third, Cl CH2 का whole 4 Cl N2 hexane 1,6 diamine. SI number C4H9NH2 CH73 350.8 C2H5 whole twice NH73 329 and 29.3 C2H5 and CH3 का whole twice 73 310.5 C2H5CH CH3 का whole twice 72 300.8 and C4H9OH 74 390.2. Larger the value of Kb or smaller the value of pKb, stronger is the base. Aliphatic amines are stronger bases than ammonia due to plus I effect of alkyl groups to high electron density on the nitrogen atom. Name of the amine: methenamine 3.38, N-methyl ethanamine 3.27, N-diethyl methanamine 4.22, ethanamine 3.29, N-ethyl ethanamine 3.00, N-diethyl ethanamine 3.25, benzamine 9.38, phenyl methanamine 4.70, N-methylamine 9.30, N-dimethylamine 8.92. Alkylamines are stronger base than amines of the acidic nature. Basic nature of aliphatic amines would increase in the number of alkyl groups. Tertiary amine is greater than secondary is greater than primary. The greater the size of the lesser irregular solution, the less stabilized the ion. Primary is greater than secondary is order of basicity. C2H5 का whole twice NH is greater than C2H5 का whole thrice NH is greater than C2H5 NH2 greater than NH3. CH3 का whole twice NH CH3 NH2 CH3 का whole thrice N greater than NH3. Arrange the following in decreasing order of basic strength: C6H5 C2H5 C2H5 का whole twice NH3 C2H5 का whole twice is greater than C2H5 Ni is greater than C2H5 C6H5 NH2 C6. Carbylamine reaction RCN plus CHCl plus 3KOH. Heat percent RNC plus 3KCl plus 3H2. Substitution. Aniline is a resonance hybrid type structure. Where do you find the maximum electron density? These structures are shown in para position to the NH2 group becomes the centers of high electron density. Thus NH2 group is a meta and para directing and a powerful activating group. Bromination. Aniline reacts with water at a constant temperature to give a white precipitate of 2,4,6 type aniline. Aniline plus 3Br2 Br2 H2O NH2 Br plus 3HBr. Count by this. Abermine very high react substitute tends to occur at earth on a para position. How attractive. Aniline CH3 COO2 O pyridine. Benzene NH COO CH3 Br2 CH3 COOH NH COO CH3 Br benzene OH H plus NH2 Br. Nitration. Direct nitration of aniline yields terioxidation product in the addition to or nitro derivative more even in the strongly acidic medium. Aniline is protonated to form the anilinium ion which is metal directing. This is why beside earth on the para-directing significant amount of metal directing is also found. Benzene NH2 NO3 H2SO4 288 NH2 NO2 plus NH2 NO2 47% NH2 NO2 2%. However, the protecting the NH2 group by acetylation reaction with acetic anhydride, the nitration reaction can be controlled, and the para-nitro derivative can be obtained as a major product. Aniline CH3CO whole twice O pyridine NHCO CH3 HNO3 H2SO4 to actively NHCO CH3 NO2 OH HN benzene NH2 NO2 sulfonation aniline react with concentration sulfuric acid to form aluminium hydrogen sulfate, which on heating with sulfuric acid at 453 473 produces p-aminobenzene sulfonic acid, commonly known as sulfonic acid, as the major product. Aniline NH2 plus H2SO4 NH3 HSO4 453 से 473 yellowing and NH2 SO3 H फिर reverse NH2 SO3 में ज्यूटर आयन plus due to the salt formation with ammonium chloride. Aniline does not undergo Prater-Clath alkylation and acylation due to salt formation with aluminum chloride. Arrange the following in increasing order of their basic strength: C2H5NH2 C6H5NH2 NH3 C6H5 CH2 NH2 NH2 whole twice NH C2H5NH2 C2H5 का whole twice NH C2H5 का whole thrice N C6H5NH2 C third CH3 CNH2 C3 का whole twice NH CH3 का whole thrice N C6H5 का whole NH2 C6H5 CH2 NH2 Diazonium salt. The diazonium salts have molecular formula R2NX, where R is the aryl group and X may be chlorine, bromine, H2O4, VFO. They are named by suffixing diazonium to the name of the parent hydrocarbon which they are formed, followed by number name of anions such as hydrogen chloride, hydrogen sulfate. The N2 group is called diazonium group. Primary aliphatic and for unstable alkene diazonium. Primary aromatic amine are arene diazonium salts with which are stable and for short time in solution and at low temperature. The stability of arene diazonium is explained on the basis of resonance diazotization. Benzene. The nitrous acid proceeds in the reaction mixture by the reaction of sodium nitrate with hydrochlorine. First primary aromatic point of diazonium is called diazotization. C6H5NH2NaNO2 plus 2HCl 278 C6H5N2C plus 2NaCl plus 2H2. Sand-Meyer reaction. The Cl, chlorine, bromine, and the cyanide nucleophiles can easily be introduced in the benzene room in the presence of copper first iron. This reaction is called Sand-Meyer reaction. Gattermann reaction. Benzene by ArN2X CuHCl ArCl plus N2 plus CX CuHBr ArBr plus N2 plus CuX. Coupling reaction. Benzene N triple bond N Cl plus H benzene OH minus negative benzene N double bond N benzene OH plus N benzene N triple bond N Cl plus H NO2 NH2 H plus benzene N double bond N benzene NH2 OH. How will you convert 4-nitrotoluene to nitro-bromoacetic benzoic acid? CH3 benzene NO2 Br2 in the CH3 Br2 NO2 SnCl CH3 Br NH2 NaNO2 HCl CH3 Br N2Cl H2O H3PO4 C benzene CH3 Br MnO4 OH C double OH Br. Convert 3-methyl aniline into 3-nitrotoluene second aniline into 135 tribromobenzene. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, बस आज यहीं तक। चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। थैंक यू दोस्तों, धन्यवाद।